Do you want to know how to maximize your business ROI? Let's start with the basics. ROI, or return on investment, is a key measure of business success. It's the ratio between net profit and cost of investment. A higher ROI means you're getting more bang for your buck, more profit from each dollar invested. It's crucial because it can be a game changer for your business, leading to increased profits and sustainable growth. Understanding ROI is the first step towards maximizing it. The key to maximizing ROI lies in understanding your key performance indicators, or KPIs. These are metrics that directly reflect the success of your business. They could be anything from customer acquisition costs to website traffic, depending on your business model. Think of KPIs as the pulse of your business, giving you real-time insight into its health. The right KPIs help you to track your performance, set realistic goals, and make data-driven decisions. Identifying the right KPIs is crucial for maximizing your ROI. Once you understand your KPIs, you can implement strategies to improve them. It's all about finding the right balance, minimizing costs while maximizing output. Consider optimizing your supply chain or renegotiating vendor contracts. But don't stop at cost-cutting. Boosting sales is equally vital. Innovative marketing tactics, improving product quality, or enhancing customer service can drive more sales. Remember, satisfied customers often mean repeat business and referrals. So, never underestimate the power of a happy customer. Implementing the right strategies can significantly improve your ROI. But the work doesn't stop at implementation. Continuous evaluation and adjustment of your strategies is key. As the business landscape evolves, so should your strategies. Regularly assessing your key performance indicators allows for timely adjustments, keeping your business in line with its goals. This ongoing process helps ensure maximum return on investment. It's about staying nimble, adaptive, and forward-thinking. So don't just set it and forget it. Make adjustments based on your findings and keep striving for improvement. Remember, maximizing ROI is a continuous process, not a one-time effort.